What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have a new video. I picked up a lever guard set from eBay. Some good old cheap stuff, but it looks good. So we're gonna put it on and see how it works. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. This is my 2020 ZX6R, fully built, put together by myself. Little bit of hiccups here and there, but I can live with that. So today we're going to be turning on some cheap eBay lever guards on both sides and get an overall feel for it and see what it feels like. So this is the lever guard. It's exactly how I got it. There's not much to it. And that is it. So I'm going to install it and tell you guys what I think about it. Obviously it's not real carbon, but it does look good. It is hollow. I didn't think it was going to be hollow. Little bits of hiccups over here, not sure what that is. But this only costs just under $20 Canadian, so I'm not expecting the best finish. Alright, so I believe I have everything I need to make this install happen, so I'm just going to push forward and get it done. And that is a 6. Go. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is the only way I could possibly install it. I'm not sure if I'm completely liking this setup because none of the hardware that they included would have worked. None of this would have worked. I had to use the original bolts, and if I did that, this spacer would not fit in there. So it's an interesting setup. I'm not sure exactly how this was supposed to work. I will be contacting the seller to figure out what's up with that. But that's the only way I could get it on the bike. So I'm gonna do the other side real quick and give you guys an idea of what it looks like. Alright guys, so now the lever guards are completely installed on the motorcycle, and sincerely, would I recommend this to anyone to get? No. Because there are little pieces that I feel like should be included that was not included. For example, the main bolt that actually mounts this lever guard to the motorcycle was not the right one for this motorcycle, so I had to use my stock ones to make it work. Secondly, after the install, I feel like there should be another piece that goes on here to cover this. There isn't one, not in this particular set I got. There might be in another one on eBay, I don't know, but this particular one does not have that. I did come across a video on eBay that has exactly what I'm talking about. It's a little plastic sleeve that goes over there, and then it looks much better. So I'll probably be looking to get something of that nature in the nearest future. Overall, for the price paid, it's not a bad purchase. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. And as you can see, they are both fully installed. One on that side and one over there, and it looks good. Happy with the purchase, but for the price, it could be better. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like my videos, throw me a like, drop a comment, subscribe. I'm gonna keep making videos about the ZX6R and a couple more things. I do have this painting project going on. I'm just trying to get the video in order because some of my files were corrupted, unfortunately. So I am gonna get that figured out very, very soon, and then I can upload the next video for that. So stay tuned and have a good one.